Oh my God. My mind is blown. I cannot. I cannot. I'm just. I can't believe they're doing this again. Not again. Again. This is the fourth time in a year that I can remember that they've done this. Okay. What is this? What are they doing? You can get started. You can partner, get full benefits for as low as $19.19. $19.19. You can literally go to my website right now, to my boutique, and you can partner for only $19.19. They're crazy. I'm not even going to fight it. I'm not going to argue with it. It is what it is. You can partner for only $19.19. So what do you get for the $19.19? You get the digital starter kit, the build your own kit for $19.19. That includes your website, and that's for life. There's no fee after that. You get the 25% discount. That is instant. You can add product as a partner. You get to earn incentives to destinations like Cancun. Okay, and this is the perfect time to do it because the qualification period started yesterday. So you'll get the full 6 months to qualify and go to Cancun. Okay, you would be a full partner for only $19.19, but you don't want to stop there. And here's why. Because with the build your own kit, you can add on any product at a 35% instant discount that you can get only at enrollment. After that, it's 25%. So you can add on any product for 35% off, right? You also can get your sales tools for 20% off. 20%. And that's only at enrollment. After that, you never get a discount on sales tools again, okay? Unless they're running some sort of, closeout special or that. But you literally can get started. People ask, well, how much is it to partner? How much is it to join Bellame? Well, until March 19th, it's $19.19, okay? $19.19. So as a partner, why would you want to join Bellame? Well, number one, you get me as your mentor, right? And I kind of know what I'm doing. Okay, I'm a top retailer. I'm in a leadership rank. So you get me to help you succeed and win. Now, I ain't going to do the work for you, but I'm there to help you, right? We've got education and training that's just like unheard of in the industry, and it's 100% free and 100% online, right? Like I said, you get you earn commission of 20 to 40%, something like that, on your sales. Okay, so you get the commissions, you get to earn the incentive destination vacations to like Cancun and other places, right? We actually pay you the highest on your first level in your business, and you can, I didn't even come here to talk about all that. You can go and check all that out over on labelladonnalife.com, the Bellame Opportunity, and it's all spelled out for you there, right? It's all spelled out. I'm just in shock that they are doing this at least for the fourth time since I've been with the company, right? That you can get partnered for as low as $19.19. That's huge. That is absolutely huge. It's amazing. It's a great opportunity to get in with this baby brand. And this is especially for those customers who love the product and now want to build with the product, but they already have all kinds of products, so they don't necessarily want to buy a kit. You can get started for $19.19. Boom, you can actually start like right now, right? Because you've got the product. You can start marketing, talking, and even making sales right now. If you are an existing customer, it only takes $19.19. I think that's absolutely amazing. I think it's insane of them to do it. And I am just I'm just thrilled. Like, it's literally been a year. Last week, I just posted my year that I've been on the product. I'm like, just like looking at my nose, looking at all of this. I mean, I got full face of Bellame on here, eyebrows, everything, mascara, all of that is Bellame. And you get to be a part of still launching and getting this company off of the ground for as low as $19.19. I think that's incredible, and it's insane. And you got until March 19th to do it, right? So if you really have been looking at what it is that I do and you've thought that you want to do it too, then head over to that link that I just shared. I'm going to go ahead and pin it, and you can get started now. You can read up, read up on the compensation plan. It's there. You can watch me go through it and learn more about it. I didn't really come here to go through the compensation plan, but I'm just really in shock and awe that it's only $19.19, and you can get started right now. And I think it's especially great because I've got, upwards of 70, 80 customers that I have built relationship with, and many of them buy from me on a regular and consistent basis. And so, if any of you are considering doing this, now is definitely the time to do it, because you've got plenty of product you can buy. I wouldn't just get the $19.19 personally. I would get the $19.19 and get as much product as my budget allowed at that 35% discount. Now, clearly, if you are Beauty Passport and you're not looking to actually build a business, stick with Beauty Passport. But this is truly for those of you who may be thinking about doing what it is that I'm doing. And, if you're an existing customer, great. You can get started for as low as $19.99. And then, like I said, add to your cart whatever you can for the additional 35% discount on product. And if you're not a customer and you definitely want to get, try the product, here's what I can tell you. You're better off to pay the $19.19 and get the 35% off discount from the product. Because, if I do the quote unquote pamper pack for you, it's going to cost you $25, $30 anyway. So you might as well go ahead and pay the $19.19, get started, and get the product for the 35% off discount. It's backed by a 45-day money back guarantee and double blind clinical study. So you really don't have anything to lose, right? I haven't had a single return in a year. Look at me. I don't even have foundation on. I just have on concealer. That's pretty amazing. And if you want to see what I look like, go head over to my personal page. I haven't posted it here yet. Head over to my personal page, and you'll see my full year of using Bellame before and after side by side. And you can make your decision on whether or not the product works. You can head over to my blog, and there's a blog post there with Bellame results, and it links to the Bellame page with more results that you can see aside from my own to see that the products work. So if you want to get a part of this multi-billion-dollar skincare industry, multi-billion-dollar cosmetics and beauty industry overall, and you don't want to deal with a headache like I don't of research and development, picking out packaging and all of that, you want a turnkey franchise, a turnkey system, you can get it started for as low as $19.19. And in the process, you have nothing to lose, because chances are you're going to get some amazing looking skin, which I thought I had until I did that side by side, right? You're going to get some amazing looking skin in the process, of deciding whether you want to sell the product. The great thing that I love too is you can just sell the product. You can focus on building a team, or you can do both, like I do. That's entirely up to you. And this compensation plan does not penalize you for focusing on any route you choose to go, right? If you just want to be primarily a sales rep, you can do that, and this compensation plan won't penalize you or me for it. I've been in a company that does, right? If you want to focus more on building and not be a strong retailer, you can do that too. I happen to be ambidextrous, so I do both, right? Because I've got, nearly 30 years of sales, marketing, and leadership experience that I tap into, and that's how I'm able to have strong sales and be strong at building the business as well. And the best way to learn from me is to invest in yourself and be a part of the team. And you can do that now for as low as $19.19. Okay? I can't believe they're doing it. I cannot. My mind is just blown. My mind is just blown. I was with another company, a pretty nice sized company, for 6 years, 5.5, 6 years, something like that. Not once did they ever do anything like this. you were not getting started with that company and getting full benefit of being a partner, being a distributor for less than $300. You just were not. That was not happening, boo. And I think it was actually after taxes, it was closer to like taxes and shipping. I think it wound up being closer to like $350, $360. And because that plan penalized the existing distributor for sponsoring and recruiting you at less than that kit, you really didn't get the time, attention in that you needed to be successful in most cases. Not with me, in most cases, right? So that's one of the things I love about this plan, is that we don't play those games, right? We don't play that. Even with the 1919, you are still a full distributor. You get the full perks and benefits of being a Bellame partner. And I think that's just absolutely amazing. My mind is blown. I still can't believe they're doing this again, because I know they did it last March. I think they did it in May. They did it in August or September, August ending in September. And now again, it's just mind-blowing. So if I were you, I would take advantage of it before it goes away on March 19th. So that is all I wanted to come in here and share. My mind is blown. I can't believe they're doing it again, but they are. So take advantage of it while it's here. Get started for as low as $19.19. But remember, you get that 35% discount on anything you add to your cart at enrollment. After enrollment, that 35% discount goes down to $25. So don't just start for $19.19. That's why I said as low as. You want to add as much product, and we've got so much new product. We just got product galore. We got like a whole product portfolio, and this is just what I can hold in my hands right now. So, get started for the $19.19. That'll get you your website and all that technical stuff. But you want to get products. We have so much, I just dropped it. And that is going to be at the 35% one-time discount at enrollment only. So, all right. So that's it. That's all I got for you. I can't believe it. I cannot believe it. You want skin like this? You want to help other people get skin like this? As low as $19.19. Get that 35% discount on anything you add into your cart. I don't care if you can only afford a cleanser. Get that in your cart for 35% discount. If you don't want to build, don't join, stay Beauty Passport and get the 10% as Beauty Passport. And I'm going to go now. Bye.